Hello and welcome to this training module on how to share documents in SharePoint. If you have seen the video on how to share files in OneDrive, you will find that this is a very similar process. Currently on the screen, I am signed in to SharePoint Online, and we will also go through sharing a file through Windows Explorer for folders that you have synced to your computer. Now, when you sign into SharePoint Online, you will see a screen very similar to this, where you have frequent sites and sites that you're following on the left-hand side and frequent sites on the right-hand side. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go into the project group website. And then I'm going to click on Documents. And then in order to share this folder out that's just a general folder, I can come over here and hit this little share icon. And then I would type in the name of the people that I wish to share this with. And in this instance, I'm going to share it with Pete. And you can also change their permission levels. So if you want the people you share this with to be able to edit, you can certainly do that. You can also say can view, which means that they can view the files, but they cannot make changes, download them, etc. So if I would say cannot, or they can view, and they also cannot download, that means the files are protected from alteration or download with the people that you share. And then it creates a shareable link, and you can copy and paste this into an email and send that out, and then those individuals will have access to view but not to download items within the general directory. Now with SharePoint and with OneDrive, you can also share out an individual file, and the process is identical, but we'll run through that as well. So we'll go into Piedmont Technical Experts group. And we'll go into Documents here. And this process also applies to Teams as well. So this is actually a Teams SharePoint site that I'm looking at right now. I can share from here. I can share from Teams. I can share from Windows Explorer. The process is identical. So let's go into Sales, and let's go into Videos. And we can go into Teams training course here. And here's the MP4. And if I wanted to just share this one file out, I could also do that. And again, I can type in an email address, and we'll pick on Pete again for this. Again, we can change the permissions where they can edit the file, but they can view it. And I'm going to block the download again, and I'm going to create the shareable link. I will copy that, paste it into an email, and send it out. And then Pete will have read-only access to this file and will be able to view it, but not download it. All right, and along with the shared documents, I can also do that from within Windows Explorer or Teams if it is a team site, but I will bring up a video here. I can right click on this And this being Windows 11, it'll look a little bit different in Windows 10. But we'll give it just a second here. And what we'll see when this menu opens up is we can go down here to OneDrive. We can do Share. And what you're going to see is a very similar box to what we saw on the online version. You're going to have the same options. You will have the options to share with specific people, give them the chance to edit. Again, I can put in Pete's name here. I can type in a message if I'd like, but if I come here, I can say can view, and because they can only view, I can also block their download, and then I'm creating a shareable link. I copy that and paste it into an email, and now that file is shared out with Pete, again, where he can view the file, but not download it or make changes. If I was going to do this in Teams, I will bring my Teams window up here. And what I would do is click on Teams. And I'll click on Project Files. And click on Files. And I can do this for a whole directory or an individual file. So if I wanted to just share this one file out, I can hit the share button here, and again you will see that it is a similar file to what we've been looking at. This box is black because I have Teams turned on in dark mode, but again I can type in the name, it'll search the directory, I will share that. If I don't want him to be able to edit, I can make this view only, and I can block the download, click apply, and it will create a shareable link. Once again, very similar to everything that we've already looked at. You copy, paste that into an email and send it to that individual, and they will have access to be able to view the file but not download it. And that is the basics of sharing in SharePoint. Have a good day.